Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel, brought to you by Mandarin Institute of Sri Lanka. I'm Miss Lee, and together let's learn the basics of Mandarin Chinese. Hello, 大家好，欢迎来到我们的频道，我是李然。Welcome you all to our channel. I'm Li Ran. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to greet in Chinese. So when you meet someone for the first time, how to greet in Chinese? You may already know 你好 你好 when you are greeting someone elder than you. There is a polite form of greeting or calling you. That is 您好 But what if there are more than one? 你们 We add 们 next to 你, which means you, to make it a plural pronoun. 们 does not have a tone, mark, so we call it a neutral tone. So you can pronounce it quickly and easily. 你们好 And there's another way. When you are in front of a gathering, if there are more than one, so you can use this way also. 大家好 大家 which means everyone, everybody. 大家好好了 Let's move on to the next part of today's tutorial. So, what are the times of a day? 早上 morning. 下午 afternoon. 下午晚上 evening. 晚上 Now let's greet. How to say good morning? All you need to do is add how at the end. 早上好 早上好 Good evening. 晚上好 What do we say before we go to bed? Yes, 晚安 That greeting does not have how. 晚安 Why it is not good? How means good. So why we do not use how when say good night? 晚 means evening or night, and an means peace. I'm wishing you a peaceful night. 晚安 好 Now, what is the time there? It is 下午 It's afternoon. 下午 So, 大家下午好 Now, let's move on to the next part. If you meet someone after a long time, 好久不见 Long time, no see. 好久 which means a very long time. 不见 no see or no meet. Can you repeat all these greetings with me? Starting from the beginning. 好，开始 Let's start. 你好您好你们好大家好早上好下午好晚上好晚安好久不见好啦 So, what are the phrases, what are the greetings that you have heard when you are talking with a Chinese person? Yes, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. 再见。